guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new grab handle on your U10 Pro. On your U10 Pro, you'll have a grab handle on the passenger side, but nothing on the driver's side. If you want to mount our Thumper Fab grab handle to the passenger side, you'll use a Torx bit and remove the two OEM screws to remove the OEM grab handle. For the first step, we'll go ahead and fasten our billet insert to our grab handle bracket. You'll slide it inside and use the 1/4 inch button heads located in the hardware kit to fasten them together. Once you have your screws started, you can tighten everything up using a 5/32 Allen wrench. With our insert securely fastened to our sheet metal bracket, we can go ahead and fasten the grab handle on the passenger side using the OEM bungs that are located in the passenger A-pillar. We'll go ahead and fasten the grab handle to the passenger side using the OEM hardware. With the grab handle securely fastened to the passenger side, we'll move on to the driver's side and I'll show you how we'd install it when there's no OEM bungs located on the A-pillar. For the installation on our driver's side, I want the grab handle location to match the passenger side. So what I'll do is measure from this weld seam down here at the A-pillar to the bottom side of the handle. It's just about 2.5 inches, so we'll mark it on the other side and get ready to install our grab handle on the driver's side. If you're installing a grab handle on the driver's side, you'll have the freedom to choose where it goes. We just want ours to be symmetrical and match the passenger side. The only thing you need to be concerned about is that the windshields will still actuate as normal and the grab handle isn't in the way of the actuators. With our measurement from the passenger side, I'll come over and mark it lightly with a pencil just so I can roughly line up the grab handle once I get it over here to the side. And I'll mark our holes to be drilled out with a silver Sharpie so it's easy to see. With our grab handle in place, I'll go ahead and mark our holes with a silver Sharpie and get ready to drill them out. With our holes marked, I'll use our center punch and punch out the center of our holes so that the drill bit doesn't walk when we're drilling them out. For the next step, we'll drill our holes out to a 17/32 hole in preparation for our round rib nuts. I'll start with a smaller drill bit and work our way up to our 17/32. Just a reminder, when you're drilling through your roll cage, you want to be careful as some accessories may have their wiring included inside this A-pillar tube. When you're drilling through, you want to make sure not to drill deeper than necessary. Here you can see our M8 rib nut installation tool and our round rib nut that we'll install in the A-pillar. You'll use a 9/16 wrench and hold the black portion of the rib nut tool still while we tighten the head of the bolt with a 13mm socket. You want to be sure not to over tighten it, but tighten it enough to get the rib nut to fully compress inside the tube so it grabs firmly and can't spin. We'll repeat the same process for our second rib nut hole. With our rib nuts fully installed, I'll use the M8 button head screws from our hardware kit to fasten the grab handle to the vehicle. You'll slide the button head screw through the grab handle and thread it directly into the rib nut. You want to be sure not to over tighten these, as you can strip the threads out on the rib nut. We'll go ahead and tighten this up with our 5mm Allen. With our bolts tight, we're ready to hit the trails and enjoy our new Thumper Fab grab handle on your U10 Pro.